Are you craving something sweet and irresistible? In today's video, we're rolling up a delicious treat that is as light as a cloud, Swiss rolls cake. Whether you are baking like a pro or you are a first timer, we would walk you through every step to create this beautiful, fluffy dessert that is perfect for any occasion. Let's roll. So first, we break in our eggs and separate the eggs yolks from the egg whites. And we have carefully and neatly separated them. Then we add 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of milk, 2 cups of flour, and we sieve it first. Then we mix till it becomes incorporated. After trying out this and after tasting this, I realized that it needed some more flavor, so I added in some sugar. Then I mix it for the sugar to get into the batter and for everything to be combined. Now we are going to beat our egg whites for it to become white and very fluffy. Let's go. After it becomes fluffy, we then add our fluffy batter to our egg yolk batter. Then we mix it together like this. Then now we grease our parchment paper on our baking pan, and then we pour our batter onto the pan and line it up very smoothly and neatly. And then we bake it and it's done. Swiss rolls cake. The softest, fluffiest and beautiful Swiss rolls cake you have ever tasted for any occasion. Let's roll. Chef Papi, let's make love on the plate.